Student, myself Kier Singh from Jyotri Academy. Today we will discuss class 12th subject BST chapter 3 business environment. So here we will see the features of business environment. So first feature is all external forces. In business environment, different types of external forces have been also impact the business environment, and that type of forces are outside and that have been fully controlled by the businessman. So businessmen can't change them but change businessman cannot change the environment, but but he can change our business and their other things. Second one is specific and general forces. Different types of specific and general forces are also impact on the business environment. Specific affect directly to the business, for example supplier, investor, customer. If any one of them have been take active and they have been not give the proper response, thereafter the business have been affected. In general aspects, general forces also affect indirectly for the economical, social, legal, and that have been also impact the business environment. Next one is interrelation. Interrelation, business environment interrelated to each other. For example, youth of Western culture demand of fast food. The fast food have been very high demand in the youth of the Western culture, so that have been also increasing that particular fast food area. Next, fourth one is dynamic. Business environment keep changing. It is not a stay activity. So that have been technological, that have been changing the fashions and entry of new competitors. Thereafter, change in government policy. Both have been very dynamic. The next one is uncertainty. So in business environment, uncertainty is present. It is very difficult to predict the change of business environment. Uh, that the most important areas are of that particular uncertainty is present in IT industries and shares. IT industry, when we cannot say that when it is boom and when it will be loss provided, and in share that also have been when it will be increase or decrease, we cannot say. So uncertainty is present. Thereafter, complex. It is very difficult to the relative impact of environment change take place. Different types of complexity is present in that area. So some changes, some minor changes also give big loss. We cannot understand that small changes how that have been affected to our business. So some minor changes also impact on the big loss. For example, government policy. We cannot government policy. Some changement have been creating big problem. Next one is seventh one is relativity. Business environment may differ from company to company and country to country. It will be not same. It will be differ from company to company and country to country. And for example, when consumer organization found pesticides in cold drink, it construct cold drink industry and expand juice industry. If pesticide is present in cold drink industry, thereafter cold drink supply is stop, but due to the due to cold drink supply stopped, the juice industry have been grow very fastly. The people can move from cold drink to juice industry, and that have been more profitable. Okay, thank you very much.